Hi friends, so we are in London and today is Christmas. Merry Christmas to all. And today everything actually is closed in London because it's Christmas. So I am in the bank of River Thames here, which is the life of London, and it's also a beauty that makes London beautiful. So we will go around the river, so have some walk today because everything is closed, public transport is closed. So tomorrow we're gonna visit some attractions, London attractions, so we will bring you there. I will not expose the name yet. Tomorrow I will surprise with some videos of some attractions, how to reach there, how to book them, some information as well. So see you tomorrow. Okay, stay with me to see London with me. Okay, bye. Merry Christmas again. This is something you see in London: dog waste. Dog waste. There are more than 200 bridges that cross Thames River. This is really great river. 1/3 of the water supply of London can be believed from here. Amazing river. Without Thames, no London. Hi friends, we are at Westminster Abbey. You can see the parliamentary building there, and the clock tower is under renovation. River Thames, beautiful view, and London Eye. Hi friends, we are in now London Eye. It's a giant wheel. It's more than 440 feet high, and it's more than 1,000 tons of steel here. It's one of the 4th largest wheel in the world as well. Today it's raining, you can't see the view outside properly, but I can show you maybe a little bit better from here. So it's a huge wheel, take 30 minutes to make one round. So I have 30 minutes here, stay around and enjoy the beauty of London from the wheel. There are 32 capsules. You have to book your tickets before to have any last minute disappointment. Do not have any last minute disappointments, so buy your tickets in advance. I will let you know how to buy, which tickets will be easy to buy, and you can buy clubs tickets, you can buy attractions all together. So let's see, I will show you. So you can see the beauty here. You can see that Westminster Abbey, the clock tower. From this view you can see the clock actually, which is open for public. So it's amazing feeling. I'm afraid of these kind of wheels normally, but it's quite comfortable. It's huge and it's very height. Some people have sickness for height, but don't worry, I have sickness for height, but I can't feel anything. So that's great. I'm quite high, but I can't feel anything. That's great. Try it when you come to London. Try it. It's worth trying. The view from the top, now we are on the top, is amazing. You can see the bridges over Thames River. So now we are on the top. We are at the highest capsule at the moment. You can see that capsule is going down. Okay, now we are the second highest because that capsule is now the highest one. Hi guys, we are at London Bridge now. You can see London Bridge behind me, the historical, beautiful bridge in London, and the scenery, the view from here is amazing. You can see also the tallest building in London, the Shard, which is more than 1,000 feet high, and it's have 95 stories. So it's an amazing building. Here you can see behind me. And in front of the bridge you can also see the Tower of London, which is also a famous castle. You can see these locations are very close to each other, and the view, the night view is amazing here. Hi friends, I'm in Buckingham Palace now. You can see the building behind me. It's a huge building with 775 rooms, 78 bathrooms and many more, 188 bedrooms for the staff even. So this is an administrative building for royal monarch, but before was a residency of them. So you can see also the famous balcony. You have seen this balcony many times in the royal celebrations, where all the monarch and their relatives stand there for public appearance. And the first public appearance dates back to 1851, centuries ago. So you can see this historical building, and you can see the view around as well behind me. And I will show you now the change of guard. Hi. So what pass I bought to see all these attractions? So that's a question, because there are many passes available everywhere and you can see them in the internet. So what would you like to buy? So depends what you want to see. So my intention was to visit Madame Tussauds, plus the Sea Life and the Shrek Adventure, plus the London Eye, and to take a big bus ticket, which is the Hop on Hop Off bus. So I checked in London Pass. There are some attractions added there, but the Madame Tussauds is not included there. So I didn't bought it because the Madame Tussauds was not included. So I bought another pass, which is called Merlin's Magical London Pass. This includes these 5 attractions. I would say Tussauds Museum, then Sea Life, then Shrek Adventure, Big Bus, hop on hop off for one day, and also it included London Eye. So that was good for me, and honestly speaking, you can see all these adventures in one day. So if you take this London pass, you can choose for Big Bus or London Dungeon. So that will be an option you can choose between if you don't want the Big Bus, because actually it doesn't work for one day, because you're gonna visit all these attractions rather than using a Big Bus or going around by Big Bus. I took Big Bus only from Madame Tussauds to other attractions, the London Eye, Shrek Adventure, London Dungeon, and also the Sea Life are very close to each other. You don't need Big Bus to use. You use Big Bus only one time when you come from Tussauds Museum to these places. So I would say if you are adventure looking, so you can choose the London Dungeon and rather than Big Bus, and you can have these tickets for adults 63 euro and for child 50 euro. Per adult 63 euro. So it's a good deal. It's a good deal, and you can easily purchase it online. So you go to Madame Tussauds and you take the first ticket, and that first ticket will be valid for all the attractions. But if you choose Big Bus, they will give you another set of tickets that will be valid in the bus. So keep these tickets very carefully, because these will be your entrance to other attractions as well. And one more thing, you can book the time, so you don't wait in the queue. These are fast track tickets, so I would not say fast track, but these are skip the line tickets. So you can book online. You have to book online the time as well. So if you are not comfortable to use within one day, you can choose 2 days and different times. Okay, so choose first Madame Tussauds and then choose chronological order, because they are close to each other. So you can go to Madame Tussauds, and after 2 hours you can choose for London Eye. You reach London Eye, you visit London Eye, 1 hour is enough. Then you go to Shrek Adventure, another 1.5 hour, enough. Then you go to Sea Life, 1.5 hour, enough. So you can see everything in one day. Then London Dungeon. So you can see everything in one day, and it's a nice experience. Otherwise you can choose the London Pass, however it doesn't include Madame Tussauds, but includes other A3 attractions. Okay, the National Gallery, however, is free, so you don't need to book it. I am not visiting this unfortunately to give you a review or something, but I'm pretty much sure who loves history, it's a must-visit place. So that's what I bought for London, and I visited most of the things in one day. And I want to also London Bridge. I took pictures from outside. I have a view in the night view, very nice. And next day I visited, today means I visited Buckingham Palace, but I'm not going inside because I'm run out of time. We have to fly to Edinburgh now. So see you in Edinburgh. Bye. Hi friends, now I am in Borough Market, the food, street food market here. You can see there are other markets as well, but there is a place where you can eat, you can have relax, and it's quite fast here because you can also order here in the shops, and then you take it in disposable cups, and then you eat in the benches. So you take it, you eat it, and you go. It's quite fast. You don't need to visit any restaurant. And if you are hungry and if you are just do not have time, you can come here. There is an Indian street food as well. Then there are Mexican, Japanese. Then there are Thai, Chinese. All the street foods are here. So you can actually enjoy all the street foods here. Come here when you are hungry, and it's fast as well. Roaming in Southall looks like I'm roaming in any city of India, and everywhere people looks very familiar. The faces are familiar, so looks like I know everyone here. It looks like a little bit a home outside home. So when you come to London, try to visit Southall as well. There are some authentic Indian restaurants as well here. I saw one Saravana, now there are a couple of others here. So try to see if you can visit here, have a feeling of India here. If you are living outside of India, you can come here as well. I actually came here, there is nothing touristic attraction here. I just came here to see the people from India and the culture. I saw the Gurudwara there, quite huge. Many people are coming today. And also I saw the restaurants, the stores like in India. That's feeling great, feeling home. Look at the size of the Indian store here. The entire supermarket dedicated for Indian food and food products. Hi friends, again now I am at the Gurudwara of Southall. You can see the volume, it's quite big, and many people come here for the langar. This is the funeral and memorial consultation here, and you can imagine all the faiths are consulted here together in Southall. Friends, so how to use the public transport in London. So what you can do is very simple. You ask your bank to issue a contactless credit card like this. You can see this symbol. You see, that symbol is for contactless. So you just need to touch the card in the contactless surface, and the money is already deducted from your account. So what you can do, you do not need to buy any tickets, and you simply go in the bus and just touch your contactless card, and that's fine. But if you are a family and you are visiting more than 2 or 3 people, and each people should have this kind of card, that's the only problem, because you cannot pay for from one card to all the people. So I have one, my wife have one, my child is 4. But if the child is more than 5 years old, he or she should pay. So what you can do then, in that case, you can buy an Oyster card which comes with £5, but 1.7 is included for one ticket to any station. Then you top up that card. Okay? So once you top it up, you can use as long as the money is there in the card, and then again you top up any railway junction, any tube station, so underground station. So you can use in this way. The transport is quite free here. The seats are not very crowded. Also, one of the most important aspect of transport is to book your bus tickets or train tickets from airport to London and London to airport. Because what the problem I faced is I didn't book that online, and when I went outside the airport, I couldn't see anything, and the bus driver don't know where to buy the tickets. I don't know, it might be a special case. Then and when I came back also I had problem. I went to Victoria coach station, and there were all the buses were full. And there are other options, however. You can book Uber, and it will cost you 60 to 90 pound, and or you can do the train. You can take the train. Yeah, train is a good option. However, if you want to go directly from Victoria coach to London airport, London Gatwick airport or Luton, whichever airport you want, is better to book your transport online in this case and before, because in this case you guarantee that at that particular time you will able to make your journey. Otherwise you cannot guarantee. So that's very important. Please book your airport transport online and before you reach London. All the tickets you can book online. You have National Express, you have Green Line services, Megabus. So book whichever facility you think is available at that time. Some buses don't go to all the airports, so book these facilities before you go to London. So that's the end of London trip. So my intention is to give you the information and the places to visit, and show you some videos so you can understand what to see and what you're gonna see in future, so you can make a decision if you would like to go or there or not. So that was the main intention. However, the prices might change again, and the services might change, so please go to the respective website, check the prices and the services again before you book them. So stay with me. I will come with other videos, other stunning places, other beautiful places of Europe. Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment your views in the comment section. See you.